Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have the domain and registrar access. Start now by opening the DNS Zone editor. Add a TXT record when Instagram or Meta asks for domain verification, or plan a CNAME if you need a web redirect. Use a short TTL like 300 while testing. Once done, save and wait for propagation. You'll monitor DNS resolution. Make sure to keep a screenshot of original records so you can revert if needed. You'll now create the exact DNS entries. For verification, paste the provided TXT token exactly into the value field. Don't add extra quotes. For CNAME, set the host, for example, www, and point it to the target host Instagram or the redirect service specifies, then save. Once entries propagate, usually minutes to a few hours, return to Instagram/Meta verification and trigger check. If verification fails, reopen the DNS editor and confirm the token and host name match precisely. You finish by confirming Instagram shows the domain as verified or the redirect works. Once confirmed, set TTL back to a normal value for stability. If the site or verification still doesn't appear, flush your machine's DNS cache and test with a public resolver to rule out local caching. If records never appear, restore the original entries from your screenshot and contact your registrar. They can check propagation or misconfiguration. Remember, exact spelling and host labels are the usual causes of failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.